Hi everybody, this is Daryl with the Into the Darkroom support team, and this is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to set up your WordPress configuration page using Site5. So at this point you should have already downloaded your blog or blog site, and you've gotten this error. This is create a configuration file. Go ahead and click on this bubble here, and on the Let's Go bubble as well. This is going to take us to a screen where WordPress is asking us for some very specific database information. Specifically the database name, the username, as well as a password. This information we're going to get directly from our database that we're going to create. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing you need to do is log into your Site5 admin panel. Once you get in here, it should generally look something like this. We're going to scroll down towards the end, and we're going to see a section that says databases. Then here we're going to go ahead and click on the MySQL database, the first option here. Alright, once this page loads, you will see some general information in here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go right here. It says step 1, create a new MySQL database. You'll already see that the database, a portion of the database name is already there, so we're just going to put in the second half of that. It can be whatever you want. I'm just going to make something very simple. And put in wp blog. So what we're going to do, we're going to create the database and a user. So let's go ahead and click on the second option right here. So the username, I'm just going to use the same thing that I did the last time, just makes it easy. And I'm going to go ahead and create a password as well. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and click finish. And it's going to show that it's working and creating the database for us. Just going to give that a second. And that's pretty much it. So what it does is it automatically creates a database right here. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this information and we're going to head back over to our WordPress configuration. And we're going to enter this information into our WordPress configuration file. So we're going to enter the database name and the username. As I created it in Site5, I just used the same database name and username. It's created them as the same. And I'm going to go ahead and put the password in. You do not need to put anything in for the database host or the table prefix. So once you filled out those first three options, go ahead and click submit. At this point, you're going to get one of two things. One thing you're going to get is a error message saying database cannot connect. This just generally means that you possibly typed something wrong or you didn't put in the entire database name or whatever. So at this point you would want to verify the information, re-enter it, and click the option again. The second option is going to be what we see here, which is the next step for WordPress installation. So we're going to go ahead and click on Run the Install. And once we get here, this is going to be general information for the site title. This can be changed later on down the road, so I'm just going to put something basic in here. The username is by default admin. You can change this if you want. I generally just leave it alone. And I'm going to fill out a password as well. And put your email address in. When you're done with that, you can go ahead and click the option at the bottom that says Install WordPress. Go ahead and hit Login. And you're going to click put in the information you just created. And make sure you get it all correct. There we go. So now we are in WordPress. For those of you that have not used WordPress before, we do have a tutorial on how the different functions of WordPress. For those of you that have used WordPress, the next thing you're going to do is just going to go to Appearance and Themes. And this is going to load up all the different theme options you have. You are going to notice that there is an option here for different templates. And so what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and click on the ITDR option. And this option right here says activate, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll see that it says that it's a current theme, and so the ITDR Design and Glow Backyard Picnic is now here. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to just go to the click on the dashboard real quick. And the reason for doing this is just going to refresh all your options here. You will notice now that you have an ITDR admin, and this is going to be where you will do all the logos and color changes and header images and all that fun stuff. So from here, we're good to go. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, contact us via the ticketing system, or email us at customer.service@intothedarkroom.com. Again, that's customer.service@intothedarkroom.com. Thanks, and have a good day.